Welcome everyone to another episode of Let's Talk America with host Shana Thornton. Of course, I am Shana, and we welcome you to another engaging episode where we interview and chat with the best and the brightest. And our featured guest for today, you certainly recognize her. But you first should know that this year, National Women's Health Week comes as the nation is emerging from a very serious pandemic. Many of you know COVID-19. And that's why it's more important than ever to recognize the issues that are out there impacting women, okay? And according to Dr. Jacqueline Waters, better known as Dr. Jackie, she's a practicing OBGYN based here in Atlanta, that you really have to know what's going on with your body. Of course, she's a star of Married to Medicine. Many of you recognize her. And she recently launched a women's health educational podcast called Dr. Jackie's Viewpoint of V. And she's the author of the best-selling book, The Queen Bee, Everything You Need to Know and More. Dr. Jackie, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Shana, for having me.
Super excited to have you. Now, let's dive right into it. This is a huge thing, a National Women's Health Week. What are some of the top things that women should know about to improve their overall health?
Now, Shana, as women, you know we are natural caregivers, and we tend to spend time taking care of everyone else and fail to take care of ourselves. With my new podcast, I tackle these taboo topics around feminine health that women don't really want to talk about. I even opened up in an episode where I talked about my own struggles with breast cancer and infertility. So the podcast is to empower women so that they know more about their health and become their own best advocate.
Yeah, I love that. And empowerment and best advocate. When it comes to empowering, there are choices we can make that can help along that health journey. What are some healthier choices or options women can choose?
Yep, the largest organ in the body is our skin. It's so important that we take care of our skin. So I recommend Olay Body Dermatologist Design Collection. The brand has partnered with dermatologists, and they've created a line of 3 body washes and a rinse-off body conditioner, which targets specific dry skin concerns that we have. The moisturizing formulas help relieve and visibly improves dry skin.
Well, that's pretty neat. How can diet affect our health?
You've heard it, Shana. We are what we eat, and your diet impacts your overall health. I love peanuts, and peanuts are a superfood that offer protein, fiber, and heart-healthy fats in every bite you get. Adding a serving of peanuts or peanut powder, even peanut butter, 5 times a week can have a big impact on a woman's health.
I love it. Could that possibly help with cravings? Just as well as many others, a certain time of month. Sometimes women crave certain sweets. Any tips on how to handle that?
I mean, it certainly can help. Peanuts can help with women's health in that it offers folates, which we need in our reproductive age, and it helps with the iron that we may need because often women are anemic. So craving, it's a good snack that offers a lot of superfood items.
I love it. For the woman that is watching us right now, Dr. Jackie, maybe she's saying she doesn't have time for all of this. She's tending to her kids. She's tending to the spouse, the partner, her own parents, perhaps. There's a lot going on. What would you say if she's continuing to put her health on the back burner?
Don't do it. I mean, we are momingers and wifingers, and we manage the husbands and the kids, and we're probably one of the most important parts of the household. So please put your health, it's like the airplane, put your thing on first. I can't even think of it. Put your collar on first, so if the plane goes down, take care of yourself first. And I'm telling women, this is Women's Health Month, and make sure you're doing things to promote your good health, like your smile. First thing that people see is that beautiful smile. So I'm recommending Spark Clear Aligners. It's a revolutionary doctor-directed teeth straightening option that can treat all types of cases, even those complex ones. It's backed by 60 years of industry experience, and orthodontists are actually saying they see better and more predictable results than leading aligner brands. It has clearer, faster, more comfortable, and a more reliable treatment experience. You can find more about it at sparkaligners.com. We're still facing these important issues, especially coming out of pandemic, and I want women to know, take care of your bones. This is Arthritis Awareness Month. Osteoarthritis, which I feel from time to time myself, is the most common form of arthritis because of that wear and tear where the cartilage starts to break down. We have a new product. It's called Dr. Scholl's Arthritis Pain Reliever. It's a prescription strength over-the-counter topical gel. It's specifically targeting the feet, knees, and ankle, which I need by the end of the day. It's clinically proven to relieve arthritis pain, reduces joint stiffness, and improves mobility. So I'm telling women, this is Women's Health Awareness Month. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, so key. And thank you for pointing out there are different options out there. On the point of bones, osteoporosis, as you know, does impact women as we age. Is there anything women should be including in their diet or supplements that perhaps can help with osteoporosis?
You want to make sure you're getting your calcium and vitamin D, and then weight bearing, exercising. Make sure you're taking care of the bones, because after the age of 30, believe it or not, you're not making new bones. So you have to take care of what you have.
So key. Take care of what you have. Dr. Jackie, always a pleasure to speak with you. Where can our viewing audience go for additional information about everything you talked about today?
They can go to tipsontv.com.
I love it. Thank you. Have a wonderful summer.
Okay, you do so and be safe.
Thank you. Thanks for watching Let's Talk America Radio.